Hi friends, this is also a video related to polygon. In this we are discussing how can we find out the exterior angle sum of a polygon. For that here I chose a pentagon in terms of polygon. A pentagon I already drawn here. Then let's see how we can find out the exterior angle sum of a pentagon. For that, just think a boy travels through the outline or the circumference of the pentagon. Let's think like this. So it starts from the boy starts from A to and it travels along AB, starts from A and travels in a straight line along AB. Boy starts from A and travels along AB, and from the point B it takes a turn. From B it takes a turn of angle 1, that is taking place here. That is, the boy starts from A and travel a distance of AB. From B it's take a turn of 1 degree and then travels along BC, and from this point C itself again it takes a turn of angle 2 and travels along CD. From D it takes a turn again through an angle of angle 3 and then travels along DE. From the point E it again takes a turn of angle 4 and reach at A, and from A again it takes a turn of angle 5 and this is the way of traveling, and I can write here like this. That is, the boy starts from A and travels along AB. From B it takes a turn of angle 1 and start moving CD direction, then takes a turn CD, moving along CD, and BC, moving along BC, then takes a turn of angle 2 and again starts moving along CD and take turn of angle 3 and travels along ED, take a turn angle 4, here it is DE, and take a turn of 4, then travels along EA and at last take a turn of angle 5 and complete its motion. This is the way the boy starts from A and complete a one turn along the circumference of the pentagon. From this, the turns he take, that is the angles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the exterior angles. Here the exterior angles of pentagon are these turns, and it is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. And I can show here like this. Angle 1 is this direction, then it takes a turn of 2, then again 3, that is it. From this base level it takes a turn of little bit bad. I draw a new picture to show you. That is, it takes a complete turn. That is, from starting A, it's starting from A, it travels in a straight line up to B. From B it takes a turn of angle 1 to reach C. From C again it takes a turn of angle 2 and reach at D. From D it takes a turn of angle 3 and reach at E. From E again it takes a turn of angle 4 and reach at A, and again it takes a turn of angle 5. It is shown clearly in the pentagon picture, above picture, so that we can see that it is a complete circular motion. That is it takes one complete turn. That is, the boy is taking one complete turn or one revolution, one complete turn over that is a circle through the circumference. In its motion it takes a complete turn or circular motion. So circle means what? It is a complete angle. Complete angle is circle, and it is equal to, in the case of circle, the complete angle is equal to 360 degree. From this it is proved that angle sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree, and this will not depends the number of sides of the polygon. For every polygon exterior angle sum equal to angle sum equal to 360 degree. Every polygon it is 360 degree. It will not change at any circumstances. It will not change. That is the important point we have to understand. That is, in the case of every polygon, that is not a matter the number of sides it have. Every polygon, the exterior angle sum equal to 360 degree. I can show you one more example. That is, taking one triangle. That is, this is a triangle ABC. The boy is starting from A, and from there it's take a turn of angle 1, then it is traveling along a straight line of BC, and its forward motion is disturbed here, and it takes again a turn of angle 2 and travels along CA. From there at point A, its straight line motion is again disturbed, and it takes a turn of angle 3. That is, here also it take a turn 1, then turn 2, then turn 3 to reach here itself. That is, the starting point here 1 and here 3 are along the same line. That is, 1 and 3 are meet at this point. That is, again one complete turn is taken. So the number of sides never affect the exterior angle. Whatever may be the number of sides, the exterior angle sum will remain 360 degree for every polygon. Let's go through an example. That is, find the number of sides of a polygon having each exterior angle measures 45 degree. That is, we all know the angle sum of exterior angle sum of a polygon equal to exterior angle sum of a polygon is equal to 360 degree, whatever may be the number of sides of the given polygon. So it is equal to 360 degree, and angle is, one of the exterior angle is given as 45 degree. So number of angles equal to, here it is given as angle, one of the exterior angle is 45 degree. So the number of angles equal to, this is, from this we can assume that this is a regular polygon. That means all sides are equal, and at the we are assuming like that way, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. That means it is regular polygon, we are assuming like that, regular polygon. So number of angles equal to total angle 360 divided by the single angle given. So it is equal to 360 divided by 45 equal to 8. So number of angles means 8, means number of vertices, that is, the vertices is the angle making point, it is also 8. So it is again equal to, number of vertices means it is itself the number of sides. So it is again equal to 8. It is having 8 sides. So the given polygon is Polygon is 8-sided, that means octagon. This is one problem related to our question. And one more condition, for a given vertices, for a given vertex, that is, let's assume our triangle or any polygon, simply think a pentagon. For a given vertex, this like x, the interior angle is, maybe it is equal to 80 degree. Then what will be the corresponding exterior angle? That is, the interior angle and the exterior angle together forms a straight angle. That is, the interior angle plus the corresponding exterior angle always forms a straight angle. And so straight angle is nothing but it is equal to 180 degree. So we can find the exterior angle equal to that 180 degree minus the given 80 degree, and it is equal to 100 degree. In this way we can find out the exterior angle and interior angle, vice versa. So this much is our video about the exterior angle sum of a polygon. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.